In this video, we're going to look at an example of calculating a difference quotient of a function. So this problem actually asks us to find the average rate of change of f of x equals x squared minus 3x minus 7 on the interval that starts at c and ends at c plus h. Well, if we're asked to find average rate of change, that again is how far you went over how long it took. F of the right endpoint minus f of the left endpoint over right endpoint minus left endpoint. This is a difference of y over a difference of x. It's a slope. Notice on bottom, the c's will cancel each other out. You're just left with h. You get the difference quotient expression that we've talked about before. This expression is a very, very important expression when you get to calculus. But now it's just a matter of plugging in the values and simplifying. So f of c plus h is c plus h quantity squared minus 3 times the quantity c plus h minus 7. Remember again, this notation of f of c plus h means you replace x with c plus h. It does not mean simply stick a plus h on the end of the function. Subtract off f of c, that's going to be minus the quantity c squared minus 3c minus 7. This is all over h. Time to play some algebra and simplify. Distributing out this binomial squared gives you c squared plus 2ch plus h squared. Distribute the minus 3 through to get a minus 3c minus 3h. Minus 7 just goes along for the ride. Then distribute your minus sign through the second set of parentheses. You get a minus c squared plus 3c plus 7. Notice now that the c squareds cancel each other out, the 3c's cancel each other out, and the 7's cancel each other out. This just leaves us with 2ch plus h squared minus 3h all over h. In the numerator, the an h factors out. After you factor the h out, you get a 2c plus h minus 3 all over h. Canceling the h's, you get 2c plus h minus 3. And then, of course, we know that we need to make the extra condition that h is not equal to 0 because this expression is not even defined if h is equal to 0, so we wouldn't be able to cancel in that case.